Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I got myself a thin, slim wallet to replace my really thick wallet. Reason why is because I want to minimize what I bring out with me. Also, I don't have to put that in my rear pocket of my jeans, and it doesn't bulge out of my jeans, either the front pocket or the rear pocket or anywhere else. It also makes me minimize what I'm going to bring out. Now, I got this leather slim wallet, and it's very awesome because it holds roughly 5 cards, so it forces you to just bring a few dollar bills and some cards, as well as 5 of your most used cards, like your ID card, your credit card, probably like a secondary ID or a debit card or ATM card. That's really about it. In the center pocket, right, there is a ID card place where you can put it, but the other ones all have slots for credit cards, and there's 3 other pockets in the center part, so you can actually put other things in it like bills and stuff. So overall, it's much thinner compared to my other one, and it fits my front pocket without even showing. So that's a really good perk about this thing. Anyways guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.